today we are on the Mediterranean coast of Spain. This is the Roman baths of Calpe. These ruins were here from ancient. And today we are cooking a classic of the coast, the Mediterranean coast, race of clams. With a race of clams in a very unique location. This is the Roman bath of Calpe and the Mediterranean coast of Spain. I'm going to show you how to cook race of clams. Look at this beauty. So first thing we're going to do is to open the clam without breaking the shell. So you're going to put the knife through and this will open the shell. This is the clam, this is the neck, the siphon, and this is the digger. Get rid of this. You're gonna be cutting these babies. I'm gonna marinate these babies here. Alright. Get rid of the rest of the stuff. Which is tissue. Go back to the ocean. I'm gonna do the same thing with this guy. Open it up. There you go. That's perfect. Look at that. Clean. That's the top. This is the head, the siphon, and this is the digger. This is how they dig people down in the beach. This is perfect. So we're gonna get rid of the siphon. That's not very edible. This is part of the inside. Not very edible. And we're gonna chop it up and marinate this. There you go. This is marinated now, really nice. And you got some really nice shells. Clean the cutting board. Just a little bit of the ocean water. How beautiful is that? Alright. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna flip up the cutting board. Rinse our hands. And we're gonna go right and put it right in there too with the ceviche. This is gonna help to marinate the ceviche too. All right. Get some limes. Those limes is gonna help gently marinate the ceviche, the raised clams, without killing them. Remember, this is gonna touch it barely, and we got some leftover here. Put it back in the ocean. Recycling. And we're gonna throw a little bit of the orange juice. Oh yeah, there's a lot of flavor right there. This is perfect. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna marinate this, and there you have it. This is gonna marinate for like an hour. Get rid of the scallions. Once again, everything in the water. Recycle these babies. Cutting the scallions Asian style is very nice. It looks good, it's optical, and it's a good bite. So that's what we're doing here. And this is nice. This is really nice. Alright, so this is about to be ready. Those babies are very, very good. So we're just gonna let it marinate a little bit more. Put it a little. We're gonna chop one more to feel better with the amount of pistachios we have. So this is nice. You don't have to completely chop them off, just chop, create a beautiful texture. Okay, so pistachios are ready. We're gonna grab a little bit of mint. Mint is nice. You can add basil, you can add tarragon, you can add whatever herb you want. You are in the Mediterranean, you are cooking fresh ingredients, you are cooking fresh herbs, everything works. Even if you're not in the Mediterranean and you're at home, you can still do this with regular clams too. You can make a regular clam ceviche. Man, this is a chef's dream right here. Cooking a very unique ingredient like this, shellfish like this, which is hard to get in most parts of the world. Pistachios are very, very nice flavor, and also it's gonna add a lot of texture. There's the surprisingly crunch that you always look into your food, right? So this is really nice. I like this, and this is pretty much done. This is how simple is this dish. You just gotta find really local ingredients, fresh of course, and this is the result: razor clams. The how to cook razor clams I will show you. Please subscribe to our channel and come with us in this journey. Chef Ramses traveling the world, and this time we are in the Roman baths of Calpe in the Mediterranean coast of Spain. Use local ingredients, respected ingredients, cooking with the local fishermen, getting to know the culture, supporting the culture, working with the local markets. That's just the most beautiful thing can happen. Come with us, subscribe. Come with us to the next places we are going. Me as a chef, it's important to get to know all these ingredients and also get to cook food like this. Look at this beauty. This is so nice. Supporting the community, making a great food, local ingredients, discovering new ingredients. That's the goal. Come with us. Is that good enough for you? That's really fantastic. The flavor, the texture, incredible, incredible.